Corey Bielert.
Kobayashi Beeler.
Kobayashi Bielert. He is going to attempt to eat 4 ice cream sandwiches in a matter of 60 seconds. Corey?
Hey guys, feels great.
Are you ready to go?
Not really, but I'm ready to go.
Okay.
On your mark.
Get set. Begin. Guys, don't make him laugh.
It's so cold.
Come on,
He's done.
I'm done.
No, go.
We're cold.
35 seconds. 35 seconds.
Huh?
You got 30 seconds left.
Go shit.
Go. Oh!
He forgot. He forgot he was being timed.
Oh, holy fuck!
Yeah. 15 seconds. 15 seconds. 15 seconds. Come on, man.
I had. I'm cold.
Try. Get some. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go. All right, here's 4 more. Jake.
Oh my God.
Come on, Jake.
You can't do it.
I'm done.
Oh my
I don't look like that.
Jake, come on. 3.